We are losing the game, but Joey will stand strong and eat children. I eat children. Get in my belly. And as you can see, my hand is fully in it now. He's having a seizure right now. Please come back after you're done with your montage. He eats little kids, so here, let's see if we can see the person who reveals it all. Can we see him? I can't see him. It's the mastermind himself. Wait, who is that again? Get in the mouth. Ah! Oh no! Okay, stop. You have been bullied, you bird. How do you feel? Well, that's okay. I'm just gonna give you thank you for